Hey, what's up guys and welcome to 10,000 subscribers special video, and let's get started. I guess numbers cannot change me, like I am still lazy and bad at scripting. I'm recording the intro after recording the main video. In this video I'll do a Q&A and I'll give you a surprise in the end of this video, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Welcome to the 10,000 subscribers special Q&A, in which I'll answer questions asked by you guys.
Let's just jump into this, guys.
Okay, so first of all, my name is Rhythm Kriplani. I am turning 18 this year and I use Premiere Pro for video editing. This is basically 90% of the questions. And now the first question. What do you hate most about Scratch? The featured section. Why is your name Muckvincient? It is a combination of three words. Muck doesn't have any meaning. Then invincible and magnificent. That is equal to Muckvincient. What is your monthly YouTube income? I don't want to reveal the exact amount, but it's like less than $1 million, but more than zero. So I hope you get the idea now. Why am I wearing this crazy outfit and acting normal, bro? What are your favorite games on Scratch? Scratch games can't be played in 5 minutes, so like none. Nah, bro, I cannot act weird. I'll just get this off and let the code be. I think it looks good. Yeah, this t-shirt is really old now. Like I wore it in 2K special, so you know how long back that was. So yeah, basically Scratch games can't be played for more than 5 minutes, so like none. Will you collab with Gandhi IDE again?
Take a look at this. Simple enough, right? But watch what happens next. Okay,
what's your age and country? So it's obvious that I am Indian, but it's kinda not obvious that I am actually 17 years old. And you guys just think like I am 22 or 23 or something. That just makes me question my existence. What do you think of Griff Patch?
Hello fellow Scratchers.
He's one of the best scratchers I have ever seen, and also the best Scratch tutorials YouTuber after me. Can you upload your first Scratch video? Make it public. It is actually already public. Let's watch it. Cool games in Scratch 2 you can make. The English is already okay, so there is no audio, it's just air noise. Okay, Notepad days. Let's watch it in 2x. Hey, what's up? I am Rhythm Kriplani. Today I am gonna show you my best games made in Scratch 2 offline editor. Yeah, you have to mention offline editor because online was totally different, right? You can get them on MIT's website. I didn't even care, like it's not Scratch website, it's just MIT's website. Name is in it. So let's get started. Okay, finally see how I play them. Okay, wow, this is nice. I was a huge fan of GT San Andreas and I played it a lot. So here are some loading screens I made in Photoshop. Okay, air hockey. Let's see. This is so glitched. This is crazy. Nah. This is very weird. It's not even cool. I didn't even edit. I just was going on. No editing at all. Okay, factory number 2. This was a weird game I made for like, I don't even know why. It was just a weird game. So it says factory number 2. So it just drives through 2 and that's it. You are snapped back to the center. You have fuel, you have money, you have customers, you have time, 17 hours for some reason. And you factory number 6, the same customer spawns randomly anywhere, and it's just weird. Okay, this one is actually cool. It is iPhone simulator. Look at this. What do we have here? SD card, 8 GB, a battery percentage, status off or on, same not installed, charger not connected. Even at charger, like it doesn't even make sense to have a charger, but okay. SD card, okay. We have already installed them. Charged 100%, okay. You have Touch ID, the mouse is your thumb, and here you can see, click this button to unlock or just use Touch ID, as you can see, and we unlock it. And yeah, we have 4 apps. It has 3 songs which I had randomly chosen from my music playlist. We used to download music back then. We have messaging app which didn't work at all. I just stole this feature from a random Scratch project. I don't even know what it was. What's the message? Okay, I am enjoying this. And that's it. Nothing happens. Then we have some alarm something. Then we have calling app. Press X to cut. Video call, conference, pause. And how do you pause a call? It must be hold. And yeah, that's it. Not really that great. Okay, then we have fidget spinner. 2017 stuff. Okay. Start spinning, stop spinning, and speed. Okay. This is cool. Then we have I was actually thinking which should I show. Okay, virtual dog modern. I love remixing even today. And back then I remixed this default Scratch project, the dog simulator, and called it Modern Dog Simulator. Best dogs, food, chocolate and water. I don't know what the basic items were, but yeah. This was cool. Okay, I tried to remix this and add an actually good Danny type like female, but it did not really look that good and it glitched, as you can see. Yeah, it works now. I didn't touch this because this was too scary for me. I did make the trophies for these games, as you can see. Yeah, these two. These looks really weird, but yeah, I did make them. Pet shop. Okay, I made this. This was really good. Water, food and treats. And that's the video. This was uploaded on April 21, 2018. That's really old and it got 200 views somehow. That's nice. Do you hate any Scratch YouTuber? If you are on my Discord server, you know the answer to this question. Is Scratch underrated? And do you think most limitations on Scratch can be bypassed through good technique and skill? Scratch is actually really popular and not underrated at all. Also, the limitations exist because it is for kids, bro. Why would you do complex stuff in Scratch, bro? Like, you have Unity, you have Unreal Engine, you have Game Maker Studio and a lot more engines. Why would you use Scratch? Scratch is not even that great. Why would you spend hours making a simple 3D game when you can make a much better game in an actually 3D software? So like, it doesn't make sense to do crazy stuff like out of limitation stuff in Scratch in most cases. What's the most advanced game you have ever made on Scratch? ScratchTube is the most complicated project I've ever made, but if we talk about games, it must be Scratch Clicker because it's just a clicker, right? You're right, it's just a clicker, but it has a settings menu and that settings menu is just amazing to me. Like, I'm really proud of it. And also because I haven't really made a actual good game after 2021. I have just randomly made remixes and small games here and there, so they don't really count. What do you think about YouTubers who left Scratch? Now that is a really good question. At one point, every Scratch YouTuber has to quit. Like, bro, you grow up and Scratch gets boring and you cannot make videos on something you don't like at all. Even I will quit making Scratch videos at some point and move on to something I actually enjoy more. If you ever switch your content, what would it be? Yes, I will switch my content and it might be vlogging, it might be gaming. I have not really decided yet. Why did you choose to feature Scratch over other programming languages on your channel? Because it is the only language I actually know really well and can make more than 100 videos about. Like, I have actually made 200 videos, maybe 250, I don't even know. Besides Scratch, I only know HTML and C#, but that knowledge is like 1% of the actual C# and HTML knowledge we can have. So like, it doesn't really make sense to make videos about something you don't know. So yeah, can you switch to a Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 instead of a Mac? It only costs $600 and runs most games good. Bro, my PC is amazing. It can run GTA 5 Ultra at 75 to like maybe 80. So I don't need Lenovo IdeaPad 3 and I was thinking of switching to Mac just because it has better optimization. I can edit videos without the software crashing. Also, I'm not buying Mac anymore. Have you ever used Unity? Yes, I have used Unity a lot between 2018 and 2020, but I had to stop because of like school studies basically, because I needed to focus on my school studies, which I didn't, but I had quit Unity. So yeah, I haven't touched it in 2 years, but I will soon start learning again. Are you going to switch to Gandhi IDE very soon? Gandhi IDE is a really good editor, but I don't switch to things. Like, I use Scratch Offline Editor, I use Scratch Online Editor, I use TurboApp Offline, TurboApp Online, sometimes I use Gandhi IDE. It depends on my mood and the thing I am making. So yeah, so these were all the questions you guys asked on this post. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments and I'll answer them. Okay, so in the end, the surprise I was talking about is shoutouts. I want to give a huge shout out to The Steamist, Donatask and Yamuzine. These guys make amazing content, so check out their channels. That's it. Thank you for watching.